Hi everyone, welcome to Mkosi Nomakajeni. I am Umakajeni. Umkosi Twanamtlai Bazala Bamzito. It's about Ushebishit. So there's a trending video of Ushebishit. There's a lady who is accusing of Ushebishit for impregnating her. So the name of the girl is Umadesh or Magesh. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. But the lady says yeah, and Ushebishit they were dating, but now she's pregnant and Ushebishit doesn't want to take responsibility. That means she don't want to be the part of the unborn child, guys, which I find is so very unfair. We know that Ushebishit is in a serious relationship. I'm not sure whether they are married, but he is still in a relationship with Umama Winganeak, and they've been together for more than 12 years or over 12 years. Batandan. So and Ushebishit has been very open about how he loves Mama Winganak, how he loves family like as a whole, and the only person that he see a future now is Mama Winganak. So guys, Ushebishit has finally responded to all those allegations of him being a baby daddy of another girl. So let me just post the video, then I'll come back.
Hey Madesh, o fila wa ngoro boletse maaka jalo ke fola magacha o rampulle gate motho no la bo rong kgagantšha le yena o zamile rong kgagantša o ka se gona wena man o no bolela gore papa o ngwana ke mang ile ka robala le wena nna gape logana o no gore motho a diakoša tše pedi tše tharo mana a gika mola le mola Madesh ba botse re bo rekiša mmele a ka o reka mme ke tshwentšana na mo a ka ba customer ga ngwanyana o rekiša mmele a ka o reka ke tšere le wena di-picture o bone o ka re ela ke šetše ka mmele e ta make sense nna ke le topless wena ke tšere le wena picture le galo nkirile ke sa apara skipa ganyalo o thoma o dia tše dingwe o ipolaišitše ganyalo o emile o dutše le ngwana.
Azala bamzitho, that is Ushebishit. So Ushebishit uthi yena uhlala ngagcwanga. We all know that Ushebishit uhlala ngagcwanga. So the lady just asked for a picture, and the lady apparently engathi uvele ulabantu abadayisayo. So hence ashude naye angagcokanga. But mina I-picture le engathi bashudele embhedeni. I don't know whether Ushebishit perform embhedeni or what. I'm not saying anything, but the lady is saying, and also Ushebishit is saying, and the lady, they are not dating, they've never been together. Just that the lady asked for a picture, I'm taking a picture. Now the lady is using the picture as if and Ushebishit they are dating of the ones dated. Maybe the lady guys just want fame. She knows that once you say Ushebishit this, obviously so we believe and we'll talk about it, and obviously she'll trend. Maybe she wants fame, but maybe again the one Ushebishit they once dated or they once they had something. Maybe Vele she is expecting Mtana Ushebishit, but the only way to find a proof is when as a producer maybe pregnancy test or a pregnancy scan. Then maqeda lapho atshengise nabantu mhlambe the conservations that bebakhuluma ngawo, even if it's WhatsApp or even cell number kaShebishit, whatever. But now the picture kuphela it doesn't make ayenzi icase yakhe ibe strong. You understand? One picture nje mhlambe bebadakiwe bayihlelela, we know Ushebishit obvious maka-recorder maka-perform akagcoki. So ipoint la kaShebishit selinamandla, and he is saying ugel bekenza all of these things just because he wanted to destroy a relationship kaShebishit noma wenganakhe, which is something that won't happen. Shebishit uhlala, which is something that won't happen. I always advise girls, especially young guys, stay away from married men, guys. Stay away from amadoda who are committed to another woman, because obviously mhlambe that time, Ushebishit recently lost umntanakhe. So obviously maybe good that time agowisha, and he's going through a lot banomama umntana. Maybe endlini vele like kutense kuyakhalwa, you understand? So mhlawumbe Ushebishit bekafuna nje i-comfort, wena uzoba i-comfort yakhe manje, and the lady won't dump Ushebishit for you. We know married women, they never divorce. Only few guys, they never divorce amadoda wabo for amantombazana amancane. So guys, whenever you're thinking of dating a married man, cabanga kayithi no, unless mhlawumbe wena uthi you're dating that married man when benefit something, and if which is something I won't advise you to do it. But bazalwane bethu, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.